for anyone who is willing to join this field, let's say programming, not basically, not just web development, let's say programming. The first thing is to know now, identify what you want. If it is web development, like our hosts are saying, it is marketable. By 2024, maybe you'll be looking for more people. So identify the field you want to venture into. There are others like ML, that is machine learning, AI, and data science. Know what you want to venture. There is mobile development. So after identifying, for example, let's say you have identified the web development. Now know the skills that you require. Know the languages. In web development, you must use CSS and HTML. There is JavaScript. There is the server-side scripting languages like Python or PHP. For our case, we decided to go with PHP. After doing that, now have passion. You must have passion to do this because it is very, I can say, it is very engaging. It needs seriousness to learn than to do a job. Learning is more difficult than doing it. And don't have that mentality of earning a lot of money when you come. It doesn't work like that. Someone comes and says, when will I start learning? It doesn't work like that. You should be asking, when will I get the required skills? Then money comes last. That is my advice to people who want to venture